Hi, my name is Mark Gray. I'm the Universal Robots UK Sales Manager, and today we have our UR5 E-Series robot, which we're showing at the Future Robotics event in Warwick. And we're showing the new features of the UR5E as it's an evolution from the older types of robot that we used to make. How we're helping companies adapt into Industry 4.0 is providing flexible automation. We can provide a low cost, low impact, flexible automation solution into your manufacturing environment. So it's very quick to implement the robots, and it's aimed at being able to be programmed by the end user. So they're very quick and easy to deploy and can increase productivity. Our view on Industry 4.0 is that we can link into other devices, accept information from other equipment, and also send information out from the robots, which means that you've got a dynamic manufacturing force based around a fleet of robots on your production floor. Industry 4.0 is changing the future of robotics by making people aware of what's possible to do with a completely integrated system into a production line. So having connectivity between lots of devices means that you can have a completely flexible manufacturing process based around changeable tooling and changeable robotics to be adaptable to your market needs. I've noticed lots of changes in the conversations that I'm having with customers now. The awareness of Industry 4.0 and flexible manufacturing is becoming more commonplace, and the UK has always been a slow adopter of technology, but I'm seeing a big change in that, and Brexit is driving people towards that change. People are now being more receptive to automation, and we are struggling to get labour in the labour market for manufacturing, and robotics is going to help fill that gap. So we see biggest opportunities is increasing productivity for people by using the robot as a tool. So not potentially taking the person out of the process, but using the robot to increase productivity by making people more efficient and taking away the 3D jobs from people. So the dirty, the dangerous and the dull, by helping them complete their tasks quicker. And our founder Espen actually talks about Industry 5.0, which is empowerment to people by using a collaborative robot. The role of data analysis in collaborative robots is that the changes that are coming with vision guidance and artificial intelligence will eventually lead to changes in the design of the way that the robots are implemented into the production processes. At the moment they're acting on pre-set routines, but it's going to give them the ability to be dynamic in their implementation of a manufacturing process. The challenges around the Industry 4.0 debate are having a sort of common platform that all industry can link into, and also have the ability to move forward at the same rate. It's important that we manage to set a standard in the UK that the manufacturers can follow and use Industry 4.0 to get the best manufacturing processes and the efficiency gains that they need to see, and also to show the best value for implementing into their factory. The biggest barriers at the moment that we're seeing with regards to robotics in the UK is a lack of awareness. We fall behind the rest of Europe in our number of robots deployed. So we're typically about something like 71 robots per 10,000 manufacturing employees, whereas in Germany it's over 300, and it's quite high in Spain and France as well. As I said, the collaborative robot market is helping change that perception, and it's possible to implement the robots quickly. So we're starting to see a step change in people's understanding of exactly how they can implement a robot, and a collaborative robot also. The biggest challenges for customers in the UK is a labour shortage and productivity. Those are the two things that the onset of Brexit is forcing people to focus on. So manufacturing products and how quickly we can make those products, and how we can make them with less scrap and make them more profitable. That's one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing from people now. By using collaborative robots, it's possible to give people more efficiency, more flexibility, and the ability to move the robot around the factory to give it lots of different tasks. So the flexible automation side is a big gain for manufacturers in the UK. Our ecosystem that runs around the robots is something called UR+. And as of today, we have 86 different items that are plug and produce, which connect straight to the robot, and their software is compatible with the robot, so you can get them out of the box and make them work. At the moment, there's a further 150 products going through UR+ certification, so by the end of 2019, we'll have over 250 different options as a plug and play, and that'll be a variety of different types of grippers, vision systems, guided vehicles, and software which will be directly compatible with the robot, which is making it easy to implement and deploy across lots of different manufacturing sites.